What's up guys, and welcome back to Must Download Jailbreak tweak, where I show you the best tweaks for your device. In today's video I'm gonna show you an awesome tweak that you must download. This tweak will give you a powerful clipboard history manager for iOS that is easy to use and works on both iPhone and iPad, and will help you to keep track of what you have copied on your device. As you see, whenever you copy or cut something on your device, it gets stored on what's called the clipboard, such that it can be pasted elsewhere in the future. By default, iOS only lets you store one item in the clipboard at a time, but with this jailbreak tweak, it will make copying and pasting several items so much easier. What's more is this tweak lets you favorite certain clipboard items, which helps you save them for easy access later. This tweak is an amazing tweak, and now I'm gonna show you how to download and install the tweak. First, make sure you have Zebra or Cydia Store, as this tweak cannot be downloaded using Cydia. Okay, I will use Zebra Store to download the tweak. Go ahead and open Zebra. Go to the sources here and add the source, Havik source. After adding the source, go to the search here and search for CopyLog tweak. This is the tweak. CopyLog tweak, as I said, will give you a powerful clipboard history manager for iOS that is easy to use and will help you keep track of what you have copied on your device. CopyLog is the best clipboard manager for iOS, and it works with Palorain and Fugu15 Jailbreak. What's more, the tweak was recently updated to support Dopamine and Fugu15 Max. That tweak allows you to save clipboard in the background and access multiple text snippets with a single swipe to paste each one of them. One of the features I like the most is the feature to add snippets to favorites, so you can save them for later and use them more often. Now just go ahead and install it. Hit install, click here, now hit confirm. I already installed it, so I will not install it again. After installing the tweak, go to the home screen and open the settings to enable the tweak. Scroll down and open CopyLog preferences. This is the tweak. Alright, the first thing you're gonna do here is enable the tweak from here. Here below you can enable image and rich text option if you want. Also, you can enable auto paste. In open CopyLog option here, you can choose how to enable the tweak. You can enable the tweak by swiping the keyboard up. It's very easy to use. I will show you how to enable it. Okay, just quickly swipe up on the keyboard and that's it. Here you can enable the tweak using external keyboard, and you can also enable it from selection menu. If you want to enable the tweak from selection menu, just tap on the screen. Now here in selection menu, swipe left and you will find a new option, which is CopyLog, as you see. Here you can enable dictate button if you want, and also disable iPad toolbar. In sound and notifications options here, this will play a sound whenever you copy or cut text, as you see. The best thing is that you can quickly share anything you've copied. In snippets option here, you can select the max snippets. You can view the snippets from here, clear snippets history or clear favorite snippets. Here you can enable open to favorites, and this will make the tweak instantly open to favorite snippets. In blacklist option here, apps you blacklist via the share sheet will show up here. In the advanced option here, you will get more options, but know that these are experimental features. These options may not work as expected, although they work for me without problems. CopyLog tweak also integrates with macOS Clipboard Manager, allowing you to copy clipboard data between devices. When you copy a text, it will be automatically detected by CopyLog and added to the history for quick access from your iPhone or iPad. Alright guys, CopyLog is really amazing tweak that I recommend you to give it a try. That tweak will give you a powerful clipboard history manager for iOS that is easy to use, and it supports iOS 11 and above. You will find the source below this video. Okay guys, I want to note about something, which is that must download Cydia tweak is now must download jailbreak tweak. Alright, if you enjoy watching this video guys, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Hope to see you in the next videos guys, and peace.